So let us consider again the same example with B3, B2, B1, B0, 0, 1, 1, 0, that are the bits I have taken earlier. But now M is equal to 1 here. Now for M is equal to 1, the one input which is connected to mode towards the XOR gate is 1. So each of the bit is XORed with 1. So B0 is 0 XORed with 1. So B0 XOR with 1, 0 XOR with 1, the output will be 1. 1 XOR with 1, output is 0. 1 XOR with 1, output is 0. 0 XOR with 1, output is 1. So you can see clearly here the output is inverted. So now the XOR will work. So for mode is equal to 1, it will invert the inputs for B, that is nothing but the 1's complement. So these numbers corresponds to 1's complement. At the same time, Cin is also connected to mode. So with M is equal to 1, Cin is also 1. So this 1 will be added to number B, because this is will be treated as the initial carry. So it will be added to 1's complement number of the B, and we know that 2's complement is obtained with the addition of 1 to 1's complement, and here we are doing the same thing. We are adding 1 to the 1's complement number, so we will be getting 2's complement number of B. So the addition will take place, okay, and it means this circuit with M is equal to 1 will follow the 2's complement format and the 2's complement rules, whether in which if carry is generated, the answer is positive and you need to discard the carry, and if carry is not generated, the answer, that is nothing but S3, S2, S1, S0, will be negative, and it will be in the form of 2's complement. And to get the magnitude, we need to convert it into again 2's complement of the answer. These things are explained in more detail in the presentation of the 2's complement method. So for that, let us take a small example with the subtraction, because it is a little bit difficult to understand. So let us consider an example, the same example we have did in the 2's complement method. So what we have here, I want to perform this operation, 4 minus 6, and what should be the answer? Okay, so I will treat 4 as my number A and 6 as my number B. So A number is taken as it is, so 4 will be taken as it is, so therefore 4 will be represented as 1 0 0. So in 4-bit representation I will write down 0 1 0 0. So this will be 0 1 0 0 corresponding to 4, plus I will change this expression to 4 decimal in addition with minus 6. I will represent 6 in the 2's complement format with the help of this circuit. Okay, the input bit is 6, so mode 1 is activated, so I'll get the inverted output for 6 here, that is nothing but the 0 1 0 0 1, which is 1's complement form of 6. Okay, and but due to the Cin is equal to 1, this will be 1 will be added to 1 0 0 1, and the answer will be 1 0 1 0, that is nothing but minus 6 in 2's complement form. So we are going to add these numbers, so answer will be 0 1 1 1, and no carry is generated, so Cout will be, therefore Cout is equal to 0, hence the answer is negative, and that is in 2's complement format also. So to get the magnitude, again we have to invert this answer. So take 1's complement of this, so 1 complement of the answer will be 00001 plus 1 to convert it into 2's complement. So the answer will be, this is the minus 2 is the answer. So this is how the system works. For M is equal to 0, it will perform the addition operation, parallel addition of 4-bit, and for M is equal to 1, it will perform the subtraction. Okay, for more videos stay tuned to In 5 Minutes, and thank you for watching.